Wow, what a day out here today on the lake. You know, fresh air, birds chirping, lots of water. You know, it simply doesn't get any better than this. But the air that's in your basement, it could be deadly. That's right, today we're talking radon. Hi, I'm Kevin Grolig, a real estate agent with Compass, located in Bethesda, Maryland. I serve Montgomery County and the entire DMV area. And thank you for checking out the latest in a video series, Real Kevin. I post videos every Wednesday about life and real estate in Montgomery County, Maryland that you're not going to want to miss. Hey, if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit that bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. So let's talk about radon in your Montgomery County home. Yeah, I realize it's not the most sexy topic in the world, but it's important. So today we're going to be talking about what is radon, where does it come from, is it dangerous, is it correctable? We're going to answer all of those things, so hang with me. And another bonus, if you stay to the end, I'm offering a special giveaway at the end of this video. So let's first talk about what radon is. It's a colorless, odorless, tasteless gas that comes up from the soil. It actually comes from decomposing uranium. So since radon is produced underground, it comes and enters into your home through cracks in the foundation or the slab, but the biggest culprit is your sump pit. So radon on the outside of the home really poses no health risks because it's diluted by the air. But in your basement, oh, that's a whole different story. You know, breathing air that has high levels of radon can really be hazardous to your health and has been linked to lung cancer. In Montgomery County, there's actually high levels of radon in the soil. You know, the EPA, as well as state and federal geologists, have devised a map showing hotspots for radon. And Montgomery County is actually a Zone 1. Those counties with the highest prevalence of radon are designated as Zone 1, which Montgomery County is. Those with the lowest are Zone 3. Let's talk a little bit about why Montgomery County is ranked as a Zone 1. The reason why it's Zone 1 is because the average home is at or above the EPA guideline for take action. Now that I've scared you with the facts, let's talk about the two obvious questions. Number one, is radon correctable? And the answer is yes. Radon remediation systems are actually very easy to install in a property. And really the technology is not very high. We're talking simply usually a PVC piping underneath the slab and a fan that basically draws the radon out. The second question is, how much does this cost? The average radon remediation system that I see out there is typically running somewhere between $800 to maybe $1,200. So while it's expensive, it's not a huge cost. And this usually also includes a retest. Now let's talk a little bit about radon when selling your home in Montgomery County. As of October 2016, Montgomery County law now requires a radon test to be done on all single-family homes and townhomes. Testing must be performed no later than the settlement date and no earlier than a year before the settlement. As far as paying for and doing the radon testing, that could either be done by the seller, the buyer, a third party. That part is negotiable. So if you live in Montgomery County, you already know we're pretty special here. But in all seriousness, we are actually the only county in the whole country that does require radon testing to be performed in the sale of a property. In all other jurisdictions, it's completely discretionary to the buyer. They decide whether they want to do it or not, and of course, they would then pay for that. You know, guys, in doing my research for this topic, I do believe that radon is something we really should take serious. And whether you're thinking about selling your home or not thinking about selling your home, you really should think about getting a test performed. So, as promised, my special gift to you is to the first 5 people who go to my website, click on the link below, I will actually offer you a free radon testing kit. Yep, that's right. Just fill out the form on my website and we'll send it right to you. So before I sign out, one last statement about radon. First of all, it's impossible to find a home that has 0 levels of radon in it. Also, it's important to know that whether you have a high level of radon or whether you don't, it also has 0 to do with the quality or not so quality construction of your home. It has everything to do with what you're sitting on top of. Once again, whether you're selling or not, get your home tested. Hey, thanks once again for checking out my latest video in a series, Real Kevin. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up and place a comment below. And if you're new to my channel, once again, please click the subscribe button and click that bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. If you're thinking about either buying or selling real estate in Montgomery County or considering relocating to Montgomery County, my contact information will be at the end of this video. Hey, that's it for today, guys. So once again, go healthy, go safe, go sane, and go in peace. See you next Wednesday.